over here that you want to do? No, that user thing is okay. I mean, I do not, I mean, normally I would have not accepted it, but this semester I would consider, if you still want to go ahead with it, I will still consider, right? But see, the whole idea of project is not just to pass the course, right? The whole idea of the project is to learn through doing, learning by doing, right? So learning by doing
Yes.
something,
Yes.
relevant to cloud, right? So if that relevance is only from a user point of view, right? So that learning is not sufficient.
Yes.
So it's a shortcut, but it's not sufficient. Right?
Yes.
So can you come up with something, so it can be along the same lines like emotion recognition, whatever you want to do, but something, so it should be improvisation of something to do with cloud, right? So here, whatever you are telling, it has got nothing to do with cloud. You get some Python code from here, there, etc. Instead of running it locally, so you just run it on cloud. That is what you are going to do probably, right? You are not going to generate anything new emotion recognition algorithm uh, beyond what already exists in the literature, etc. You are simply going to use some publicly available material, right? And then you are going to execute them on cloud instead of dumping the data locally and running analytics locally. You want to run the analytics on cloud, isn't it?
Yes.
So can you do something better?
Uh, like if you suggest a thing in this
I
one,
don't have suggestions. I have suggestions. I gave you the list of 10 projects, right?
means like means
My suggestion
actually
is
we.
that you choose one of those, right?
Sir,
Otherwise, if
if
you
I
are
may,
suggesting on your own, you can still go ahead with this one. You can still go ahead. I'm not, I told you, right? So I do not want to stop you, but at the same time, what I feel is that, so there is opportunity for doing something better.
Yes.
sir, can you hear me?
Hmm?
Can you hear me, sir? I'm Surya Teja,
Yeah,
another
yeah.
member in this
Surya.
group.
Surya,
So
you are
I
part
just,
of this group, right?
yes, I joined late, so like I just
Okay,
caught up
okay. Surya.
into the discussion.
Yeah, please tell.
Sir. So right now, like
You are
the
in the
four of
road.
us.
You are on the road.
No, sir, I joined the meeting like just a few minutes ago. Like by then, you had
No,
already
no, I
asked
see
about the
that.
two
I
sites.
think there is some road behind you or something, no?
No, sir, it's the wall.
Okay, okay. So you are holding the mobile phone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is why there is so much of flicker. Anyway, yeah.
Right. So, like right now, like none of us have any idea of what how to host cloud or how to come up with our own cloud. So right now we have taken another project which was given in the list which you had released. So
Hmm.
this problem statement is actually from one of those 10 themselves. So like we thought if like you said, if there is nothing new which we would be doing like as we go as we progress with this, then we might have to tweak with the problem statement, or we may have to change the problem statement completely. Like so, like we thought, once we begin doing with this, then based on what how much of this course we would be able to implement directly into the project, we can move forward either with the existing
Yeah,
one, or
but
we
the
may
thing
have to change
is,
it.
that from the very beginning, if you do not take care of this issue, then later on it might be difficult for you to implement whatever you are learning in this course, right?
I mean, sir, like
Because
this
you are
was one
taking
of
some application oriented project. I remember, right? So you are right. Actually, I remember that, so there were two types of projects that were given to you. One is basically this kind of application oriented one. The other one is basically something to do, innovate in cloud, right? Innovate or implement using cloud, right? So so I also told you that the latter is preferable, right? And this one also you can take, again and again I'm telling you, this one also you can take. But the thing is that you try to think what, there should be some more contribution with respect to cloud, right? So contribution doesn't mean that you will have to innovate cloud. Contribution means like your learning should be on cloud more more on cloud, right? Not simply implementing something on cloud. Then I mean that is sufficient. I mean that is okay, but try to do something better. Okay, Surya. So I think think
yes,
about
sir.
it. So and you should start working on the project, because we are like almost mid sem, almost we are close to the mid sem, right? So there is no mid sem exam. What I'm saying is that middle of the semester, right? So you should try to do something more with cloud, right? It's remember that it is project based learning, right? The whole idea is not just to fulfill the requirements of the course. I want you to learn while doing something in the project, in the course, through the project in the course, right? So you should think in those terms. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Now, and also make sure that all students from the group, they participate. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, sir.
The second, the third. Acha, so can we again check whether Harshit Sura, have you joined?
Yes, sir, I'm here. My
Are you
last class
the
was quite
team leader?
late, so I couldn't join in earlier.
Yeah, Harshit, you should tell the other teacher also that you have another class, right? Because ultimately
Yeah.
what happens is we are losing time from this class. Okay.
Okay, sorry for that.
No problem.
So can we like jump into the project?
Yes, yes.
So what we are deciding to do is we will create some Moodle-like website
Hmm.
on which what the important feature that we are pushing in is secure file transfer. So we will be using cryptography in it. What we are planning to do is we say you have a file A that we want to share with you. So what we are planning to do is we break that file into some n parts, encrypt individual part, then send it over to the um, Moodle platform. Then at your end, you can download it. Again, do the reversal like decrypt all those n part, join those n part, and then return the file. So this is the core idea, like what we are trying to implement. So for the cloud purpose, we will be hosting the website on that cloud, and you could have uh, like get all the details from that.
Yeah, so it
So
is
it's
simply
basic.
hosting. It
Yeah,
is
it's
simply
simply hosting, but it's rather not a website. We are planning to implement a cryptographic secure file transaction through the cloud. So instead, if you are sharing directly a file, there are many losses, like there are server side scripting. There may be what we call it uh, um, SQL
what
attacks. So all those
whatever. So
attacks
my
will be
my concern is, Harshit, I understood. I understood. So my concern is that whatever I told for the other group also applies to
Mhm.
you, right? So beyond just hosting on cloud, right? I think you are not doing anything better, right?
So this cryptography thing will be like written from scratch. We are not even going through some GitHub ID or like taking code from somewhere. All the codes will be written in PHP language, which will like incorporate so that we don't have some side scripting attacks. Also, this cryptography thing will be written by Scratch. So at the client side, we will capture in the file, then do the pre-processing, send it over to the cloud. On the server side, like the other guy who tried to download that file, he will also have to do the reversal, then he can like get the file. It's not just you share the file and you got the file. We do have to get into some minor details and get our hands dirty.
No, I think so it's okay, but try to think about can you do something to do with some cryptographic thing which is specific to cloud, right? So this is okay. I mean, I'm not saying that it is not acceptable, but what I'm trying to think is that can we think of like whatever that secure file sharing, so can you think of some aspect of cloud for which the secure file sharing is going to change? Maybe it is available, so I do not mind, if you are taking some existing code from somewhere with due citation, if you tell like so from where you have taken what, that is fine. And then because you are taking some pieces of code from here and there, and but then you have also innovated, or you have done something, practiced something on your own, through the project, and you're as a whole you are presenting it as your total contribution in this project. So that is also fine. But you think whether there is any aspect of secure file sharing which will be specific to cloud?
So actually, what we are trying to do here is we like don't want to go directly deep into the cloud. So where we like to host our hardware, what we thinking to do is we will capture those hardware from the cloud platform,
Okay.
and then instead of like storing that file, we will provide a medium to share that file. So in future case, if you like to try to develop a cloud out of our website, then the easiest part will be just to add some resources in where the file will be storing. So currently for our purpose, we are using the cloud. Okay. And finally, if you like to scale the project up, then you can like directly implement your hardware. So basically, the Moodle thing quite sound like it's just a usual project. But if you like go into the minor details, it basically a cloud working over a cloud. So it's a minor version about the cloud computing. Just we are not providing the hardware. We are just using the cloud services for the hardware purposes.
Yeah. So TAs, if you also have any suggestion or any other student also, so the whole idea is to learn from each other. So project-based learning and learning from each other. These two things should be done through this particular component of the course. So any other student, if you have any suggestion, feedback for them or TAs.
Okay, so sir, this is Chandrani. So,
Yeah.
so I have once means there are some problems in cloud. Say for example, virtual machine side channel attack. So as they are working on cryptographic operations, so they may work on virtual machine side channel attack. So they have to create different set of virtual machines, and then they try to replicate some of the virtual machine side channel attack. So and
Right.
there may be some solution. So I think this they make one
Yeah, that
concept.
will be more cloud specific, right? So that is good. That is good idea. So Harshit, you considered this,
Okay, sir.
right? And you do not need to digress completely from what you were planning, but whether you can, club up this or similar kind of ideas along with whatever you plan to do. Think about it.
Okay, sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next is Rohan Iswarkar, Nitesh Meena, Shashwat Mondal, and Sudat Harne. Who is the lead here?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah, I can hear you. What is your name?
Sir, I am Nitish, and I will be the group leader of Group 3. So,
Okay.
our idea is to like it's a very
So let me
basic
read out
description, and
your project
sorry.
title. Nitesh, just 1 minute. So let me read out your project title: Health Monitoring of a Set of Members via a Distributed System. Okay, so tell, so what sort of health monitoring you are thinking about?
Sir, so the health monitoring part of it is not yet concrete. Like we were thinking about like something sort of so like keeping track of how these infectious flus spread. Like so the bird flu is spreading right now, and there was COVID, which we all suffered through. So that was the idea, and we can keep track of who all are infected and something like Arogya Setu, like but not exactly that, but something around it. And that is not concrete because at this point of time we were like more focused on implementing the cloud part of it. So like we haven't yet reached the conclusion that how we would do it, but we have some ideas. Like so we were thinking about installing OpenStack on one of our laptops. Like one of the members have a decent laptop with good specs, so we would be installing OpenStack there and putting a reverse proxy in one of the AWS instances, which we can get for free, so that we are able to communicate to that laptop. And that is how we would start, like first from the cloud level and then building on the application. Because the application itself, like this health monitoring system, has been explored very well. Like there are many multiple open source projects on this. So our idea is to work more on the cloud and see what we can learn from that, and then we can pick up one of the already implemented frameworks, or or we can implement our own like distributed system or health monitoring system, and then we'll see where it goes.
Yeah.
So the idea of the actual application is not yet implemented, but the idea, what we are about to do next, is pretty concrete.
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay? Hello, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, sorry. Yeah, I was talking to somebody else. Okay. So yeah. This sounds good. This sounds good. So not bad, but so probably you can fine tune and you can improve it further as you proceed along, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it should be, yeah. So I think, but this is a good start, and I do not care, whether it is healthcare or agriculture or whatever it is, right? So the main thing is that what is the main contribution in terms of contribution means like what is the main learning component in terms of cloud, right? So that is what I care more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. That is
So
necessary.
yeah. Now after Nitesh, and if at any time anybody wants to give any feedback or ask any question, please feel free to do so. Online bookstore by Sri Srivastav, Rohan Henry Ekka, then Rajat Kumar Jenamani and Kanishk Singh.
Yes, sir.
Who is speaking? Who is the lead?
So this is Shrey.
Shrey.
Yes, sir.
Shrey, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So so our application layer would be regarding an online bookstore, and we plan to have a distributed storage for all our buyers and sellers and their corresponding entities like books and buyer accounts and seller accounts, all those things. So at the first step, we'll try to have like how we can use cloud APIs for storing and processing, and after that, we'll try to move towards creating a cloud where we'll have a master node that can logically process like how we can manage distributed storage, and then how we can do distributed processing, and so that we can scale to many number of customers.
Distributed storage. So can you be a little bit more specific? What sort of distributed storage you are thinking about?
Yeah, sir.
So let us say that you get access to some public cloud, right? This is what you want to do, or you want to implement your own cloud?
First, we would want to have access to a public cloud, and when we are successful by integrating that, then we will want to move forward to implementing one.
Yeah. So latter is not necessary, but if you can do that is better. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so fine. So but then let us say that you get access to some public cloud, Google Cloud, AWS or whatever. Then what do you want to do?
So this would be an online bookstore. So we'll have buyers and sellers, and all of them would be enrolled in our system, and then they can access. Sellers can publish books that they want to sell, and buyers could, depending upon their choices, can buy from our system, and then like we'll have that system for their interaction.
Understood. So am I, what I understood is that online bookstore, or if you generalize, it is an e-commerce site, right? E-commerce website,
Yes,
something like
yes,
Amazon or something like that.
Yeah.
And you want to implement Amazon on cloud, something similar to that?
Yeah, something similar to that.
No, so this requires some involvement, but I'm just thinking like, whether it will give you adequate learning on cloud itself, right? So that you think about and try to. So if anybody has any suggestion for Shrey and group, you please feel free to do so now. Chandrani, you also, or any of the other TAs, students, if you have any suggestion, how they could possibly modify their
Sir,
project. Yeah.
this is Chandrani. So I think if they can use, try to implement the multi-cloud here, that means taking the service for different publishers and cloud facilities. So and integrate in a single website. So I think there may be some essence of cloud computing.
Yes, yes, yes. This is a good idea.
Um,
So yeah, so do consider this, Ray. I
yes,
think
sir.
that this will be quite good, right? If you can do
Okay,
it,
sir.
and that will be sufficient from the perspective of what I am looking at, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. So thanks. Let me now go
Thank you, sir.
forward, and the next one is Nadi Rohini and Braj Bihari Meena. Only two. Nari Rohini and Braj Bihari Meena. Who wants to speak? So this is basically patient health monitoring system, right? Who is the lead here? Oh,
Yes. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
yeah, I can. Braj Bihari Meena.
Yes. Sir, in this project, we capture the data from the primary healthcare in villages and send to cloud, and we have the we have the machine algorithm on the cloud, so it send the it check the health status of the patients.
Yeah. But what in cloud you are doing then? What is new
Yes.
you are going to learn by doing this project with respect to cloud?
With respect to cloud, like they send in many villages we still do the paperwork, so we send data to the
That is
cloud.
okay. So whether you send it to the cloud or a server or a workstation, whatever it is, right? So with respect to cloud, what are you going to learn through this project?
Like sir, we are using the cloud first time, so we
That's okay. That's fine. I will take it. As I said before, for others also, right? But can you think of doing something better,
like
Chandrani?
sir, any
I think
suggestions, sir?
I am looking for you to generate ideas as you have been doing, right? So, hey
Okay, sir.
Sontu,
I'll
what happened
think.
to you? Sontu, chupchap, not acceptable. Sontu,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you used to give lot of suggestions, very interactive. अच्छा चलो चंद्रनी.
No, sir. Till so I'll
No
think.
idea.
No, it is. Sir, I have another question here. So in their group, Rohini is there. So in the morning, Rohini mailed me that is they have want to combine it with others. Means they have two members in a group. So if there will be three, so they don't have any problem.
Okay, who are
So
the
I
others?
so I asked Rohini to contact Aurobind. So Aurobind is alone. Uh,
Right.
so in the group number 16.
Yes.
So I just want to ask Rohini that what just Rohini is present here. Rohini, are you present? Rohini,
No, I don't think Rohini is here. Aravind Reddy, are you here? Aravind?
Sir,
Aravind Reddy. कहाँ गया Aravind?
sir,
Yeah.
sir, Arvind had actually contacted us that he wanted to be in our group. If
Oh,
you
is
look
that
at
right?
group number 19, his name is, I've added his name over there.
Oh, Akhilesh.
Yes, sir.
Group number
19.
19. 1,
19.
2,
Okay.
3. Aravind repeat हो गया. Chandrani. Take care.
Okay.
So, अच्छा ठीक है. Aravind वहाँ चला गया. So remove group number 16 from here. Actually, group number will change, huh? So do not. It is not sacrosanct yet, right? So because now when these people will merge with other groups, then the group number will also change.
Okay.
So anyway, so is there anybody else who wants to join this group? See, this Porimal Satra, they are also doing this patient health monitoring. Yeah. Porimal Satra is doing patient health monitoring. Porimal?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am working in this institute, so problem would be
You
the
are?
time.
I
I
can't
am
hear
an
you.
institute employee.
Huh?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Porimal, your voice is coming very low.
Hello.
Yeah, Porimal.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear
You are
me,
not
sir?
visible. You are not visible.
Oh, sorry.
Yes,
Sir.
Porimal. Yeah.
And what I'm saying
Please
that I want to work alone because I am an institute employee and I mean I can work on my own time. I cannot work in a group because coordination would be a problem. Like so that's why I want to work
you want to
alone.
work alone?
Yeah.
Achha. You are working with whom? I mean, you are working in ERP?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So entire ERP will become cloud, na? Or it is already, I do not know.
If I can do that, yeah, I wish I can do that.
Okay, so we'll leave Porimal out. Porimal, you are doing what? MS or PhD?
MS, sir.
MS. Who are you working with?
Professor CRM.
अच्छा. Okay. चलो और कौन करेगा वैक्सीनेशन मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम? अंकित सौरभ.
Sir.
So can you club?
Sir, this is
Sir,
Raj Gupta.
hello, sir.
I think
Wait. One person at a time. Yes, Raj Gupta. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, we have made already a group of 4. I think there was mistake in filling up the form. We are Ankit Saurav and Yashraj Gupta, Sanket, and Abhik, and we would like to update that query if we get the chance to.
So right now you are
4.
in which group number? 4.
Uh,
Group
No,
number 4.
we are group of 4, but actually, if you can scroll down, I can see what was the group number. I'm not sure. Yeah, 14. 14, sir.
Ankit Saurav. So 14 with whom?
Sir,
14
Ankit
is not.
Saurav, Yashraj Gupta. We were there. I think he has made a mistake in filling up the form. Ankit Saurav, Yashraj Gupta, Sanket, and Abhik. We 4 are there.
So where are the others listed?
So we are
Hello,
not
sir.
there.
I actually made a mistake in filling the names. I filled all the 4 roll numbers and email IDs, but in filling the name, I only filled mine. So that's why there's just one name. We 4 are in one group only, sir.
So not this one. Where is it? Okay, understood. Ankit Saurav, right? This one. So there should be 4 names.
Yeah, there should be 4 names.
Okay. So please coordinate with Chandrani and
yes, sir.
Yeah, update this one. Okay. So there are 4 names here. So somebody I think should join this group. Nari Rohini, Braj Bihari Meena. This group somebody should join. Otherwise we'll keep clubbing, so Arvind Reddy is already clubbed up. Porimal, I do not know whether I can accept your request. We'll see at the end what happens, because too many groups, it is difficult to handle. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, something has to be done about. So Braj Bihari, you please try to think about what on cloud you can do, right? So more learning from a cloud perspective should be there in your project. Okay.
Yes.
And let me see.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Sir, this is Arnan. Sir, this is Arnan Kosek. Arnan Kosek from group number 20. I have proposed a single alone project. So I I like I'm working alone and I'm also okay with the group, but I like mine idea the more. So if you can hear it before, and if means I can compromise with those two, then
very good,
I
very
will
good.
prefer it.
Yeah. So thank you. So I think this is a good gesture on your side. Yeah, please, maybe you can explain your project.
So actually in this I'm trying to create a means identity based protected files sharing system. Means like means this is the step project. I will explain first. I will do then the second step. First means each user will have means own data. Then they can upload a file in the cloud, and using the cloud I will encrypt it. Means no local means computations will be used about encryption and decryption. And after in and whenever means if someone wants to get the data back, then they have to again provide whatever key that I have given, that have been generated at that time. Means according to that their identity. And for even for the encryption I decided to choose triple dot encryption. And as a service provider I will only have part of the key, and user will have the part of the key. So even as a service provider I can't actually view their files. So means is as a way of increasing the trust. And if the questions come that where is cloud I'm using, then means except for the uploading and downloading, everything else means even encryption, decryption, or everything else will be done in the cloud. So local computations won't be used. Means user won't have to spend his own computer, own computation power.
No, that is okay.
Because this is
encryption decryption through cloud, Arunansh, in encryption decryption using cloud, is it going to be different from what you do for non-cloud systems?
No, actually, no, there won't be any major difference, I think.
So what you do is two things. So before that, Chandrani, do you have any suggestion?
So actually, I cannot understand what will be the difference between triple data encryption algorithm. So, Kaushik, what do you want to say actually triple data encryption?
Yes, but everything means description and encryption will be, and even the means file will be uploaded in the cloud, because compared to the local system, if there is an established cloud, then it can provide much better protection than a local system. That's why I'm means trying to. That's why I propose to use the cloud. Means just a form in a form of providing a higher security.
Okay, so I can say that there are some research papers which focus on this. Say, for example, there means from the provider's perspective, they implement some encryption algorithm, but this encryption creates a problem from the cloud or perspective. So you just go through the do 2 to 3 papers related to data encryption problem using cloud computing from provider's perspective. Okay, and in this problem they will more concerned about cloud specific things. So I think you can see that. Okay.
Yeah, I think something similar to this everybody should also try to do for their respective application oriented projects. So something specific to cloud, if you can, even it is perfectly fine, if you are taking some idea from some research paper, but actually you are getting your hands dirty and you are implementing as part of the project. As long as you reveal that this is what you have done, that is fine. If you remain silent, then it becomes plagiarism. You can definitely, so I think this is good, right? So please try to follow that suggestion. No, but I would also like to club both Arunansh and what is that other group? Yeah, where is it? Here. Rohini and Meena. So what you can do is you can take care of what you can do is you can deal with health data, patient data, and encryption, decryption, whatever, those things. Do you understand? So you can club these two. Is it clear? Yeah. So I request Braj Bihari, Nadi Rohini, and Arunansh, please form a single group. Okay. Please form a single group. Now, next thing. Next one is Ria and Otonu.
Yes, sir. Actually, in this, we are trying to study the auto scaling of cloud computing.
Okay.
So basically, what we are going to do.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
So basically, what we are going to do is we are going to use small commodity hardware like the single board computers, the Raspberry Pi and everything, and we will be trying to develop a private cloud where according to the load, we will deploy some application in the private cloud, and according to the load, the devices will come into action, otherwise they will be idle. So we are trying to like study this auto scaling.
Yeah, so this is good. Any suggestion for Atunu and Ria?
Hello, this is Shantu.
Shantu, yeah.
So with one hardware, how we'll do the weight balancing or something, so load balancing, sorry.
We will be using a couple of single board computers, not just one.
Okay, next. This is a good project. Okay, next one. Kotapalli Vineet, Gurmeet Singh, Ahuja, Kalathoti Sandeep Kumar. Virtual machines scheduling for better optimization. Okay.
Sir, this is Gurmeet here.
Gurmeet, please explain.
Yeah, so sir, basically what we are going to work on is load balancing algorithm. So we will be, so what we have like, so what we'll do is we'll take up some the basic round robin algorithm, and then we'll work on optimizing the same to make load balancing easier for different cases, sir. So basically we are trying out to how to optimize the algorithm basically for load balancing.
Okay, I think this is good. This is also, I don't have any concerns about this project too. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any suggestions for them? Gurmeet and
Sir, this is Chandrani.
Yeah.
So, Gurmeet, I think you can see the working procedure of the map and reduce protocol. So in map and reduce protocol, the query is distributed and mapped from different worker nodes. So I think you can get some ideas how to implement this.
Map reduce, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So thanks, Gurmeet. Next is Rohit Kunal Das, Vinay Kumar Agarwal.
Yes, am I audible? I'm Kunal.
Cloud-based music recommendation API. So you want to create an API, basically cloud-based API, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please tell.
Yeah, sir. So basically, we all listen to music in our on our mobile phones, and after a while, at least for me, it becomes a problem that I get stuck in the same loop, that I'm listening to the same songs over and over, weeks after weeks. So what this will do is it will track. So there are applications that track the songs that you listen from apps like Spotify and YouTube, and they'll collect the data, real-time data of the songs you're listening to, and they'll send this periodically to the cloud, which will use a data set called the million, which is the very famous data set called the million songs data set, and that will suggest me, that will directly create a news playlist of recommended songs according to the weather conditions and according to the genre that I would listen to in different times of the year, and that would create a new playlist and include it within my Spotify so that I can listen to it after the end of a week. So it will keep on introducing me to new songs and new genres.
Yeah, so this recommender system implementation on cloud and off cloud, right? Any difference?
Yeah. So the one thing is we are not creating a website as such. This is a cloud. This is a service. So it is a serverless service. So we can easily use. I mean, take advantage of things like scalability. So the number of users trying to use the application at a point of time can be scaled up and scaled down accordingly. Because we do not have to actually present the user with a front end or a UI data. We'll simply just run the service on the background. It will collect the data and send it to the cloud. It will directly include a new playlist in our apps.
No, but what I see is, Kunal, that there is not much innovation with respect, not innovation. I mean, so when I mean, I do not know why I keep telling innovation, right? I do not want to see innovation also.
Yes.
What I want is that there should be something specific to cloud in terms of your learning through this project. So all you are doing is standard stuff, which one would do, outside. You are trying to do it on the cloud, right?
So the thing is, if implementing this on a singular local machine would be, I mean, difficult because you do not. So there are different devices. It will not be a single user, and you'll have to send the data to a hosted kind of service. So that is one thing. It will be different devices, slave devices connected, which will send the data to the master computer, which will compute your data and give us a result to you. So that is one, and it will obviously take the particular weather conditions of the particular place. The device will record that and also send that. So it will be very device specific, and the data will be real time projected to the cloud.
Yeah, so think about it. So whatever I told you, so think about it. And only one thing I would like to, one more project I will like to hear from you, KGP Academic Buddy, and then we will end the class today. So Anshul Chaudhary, so two Anshul.
Hello, sir.
Anshul Chaudhary, Anshul Goel.
Yes, sir. Anshul Chaudhary.
Anshul Chaudhary. So please tell, what you have
Yes,
done.
sir. Actually, sir, what we have found in this online semester is that it is really difficult to manage the academics because due to new grading scheme, there are a lot of tests and projects going on. So what we are doing is that we will create a online portal. So what we can do is that student can go and select the set of subjects that he has registered for. So what after clicking submit button, what will happen is that the information will go to cloud, and cloud will generate the timetable accordingly and all the events that are coming in the near future, like all the tests and all the test details. So all those things will be generated by the cloud services and will be sent to the portal. And after that, there's one thing. It is an open contribution platform, so any user can contribute to the project. And one thing we will make sure is that only the verified user can add the details and edit the event. So for that, we will use two-factor authentication, which is a cloud service. Uh, After that, there's one very important service that we will provide is that student can opt for reminder. So what we will do is that before test, student can decide when he want to get the reminder, 2 hours or 3 hours before. So that will be generated. The reminder will be provided by the cloud services.
No, it's okay. So this is fine. So, but again, whatever I commented for many others also applies to you. As such, so this is see, I do not have any doubt about the utility or the interestingness of this project. I mean, so this is definitely fine. But my concern is that you should have more component of cloud in terms of your learning. If you can, once again, I'm keeping on telling everybody that whatever suggestions I am giving, is basically, you know, for you to consider to improve your project further.
So basically we mean we need to make something that manages the application on the cloud, not the application itself.
Yeah, so I mean, overall, basically, you know, your learning with respect to cloud should be more, right? So if you can show that contribution, I think you will have you know, the most of the purpose of this project will
Means
get served.
like just we are creating that reminder thing. That reminder will be I can say it's a service that we will provide it to the customers. So I think this is one of the cloud services that we are making.
Yeah, but what has it got to do with cloud, right? So this reminder could have been sent in an off cloud kind of system also.
No, sir, but this is the multi-user platform, na? So there should be a single cloud that is accessed by multiple users. So if we make it on local desktop, then it won't work like that.
No, I mean, if you are talking about, let us say, one server or two servers to handle this thing, and these servers are inter-network, right? So what, I mean, how will it be different in that case?
No, sir, I'm not talking about the multiple servers. I'm saying offline server and the online cloud-based server.
Okay. Anyway, think about this, right? I'm not denying anything. Just think about it and see, you know, whether you can do something better, right?
Okay,
I mean,
sir.
along the same lines, do not change your project, right? Not at all.
Okay, sir.
Think if you can include some additional learning objectives.
Okay, sir, I will think about it.
Yeah, specific to cloud. Okay. So other students, you know, so I think we are over time. Think about two things. One is that you have already heard my comments on the other projects that were covered today, and you know, whether you need to change your learning objectives in your projects individually. So think about it, and also groups which are less in number. For example, Sontu, Vivek. So you can try to have some more members in your group.
Sir, our project is a easy one, so we don't want to include too many members. That
Why did
so,
an easy project? Santu, you should try some difficult ones. Why
no, sir,
easy?
it's a little difficult. I mean, Vivek have
Easy but
a
difficult. Okay, so
difficult, but it will be manageable by 2%. If we include more person, then the contribution will be less.
So we'll see. You know, so we'll see. Yeah. So try to consolidate Chandrani and have the final groups ready along with the projects by latest by you know, so by this weekend, right? So everything should be fixed, and the students, you know, please also start working on your individual projects. Okay, thank you. And tomorrow, I forgot to tell, tomorrow there is a test, right? Actually, I'm supposed to take it as a surprise test, right? So every 2 weeks, right? I told you, every alternate week. But tomorrow's I'm making an announcement that there will be a test. Means what? You know, do not consider it as a test. Okay, I would say that it is not a test, right? But it will be evaluated and counted towards your final grade, right? But it will not be as heavy as a regular test is, right? I prefer to call it a quiz. Okay, so it will be like a quiz, and you know, so basically, you know, even if you do not prepare and if you have heard me in the class, you should be able to score well in the this thing. And if you are using your common intuition, you should be able to score well, right?
Where will be
But do not think that you know, so many tests and all of this. This is going to be something if you get separately. You know, if you just come, you know, this thing, and if you have heard me in the class, you should be fine for tomorrow. And all these alternate week quizzes, right? Main test, there will be, you know, it will be announced and it will be separate, and those are okay. Yeah. You wanted to say something? So you wanted to say something?
Where will be the quiz, in the Moodle or?
No, here only. Something will, you know, we'll give you the instructions actually. So I need to discuss with the TAs and figure out. I will come to know. And it is going to be very, you know, so you don't even, I mean, most of the students you can complete in 10-15 minutes. But I will keep more time. Do not worry about if you want to think and whatever. As long as you guys are not swapping your answers between yourselves, that is fine, right? So I don't think anybody is going to do that at this stage of your studentship, right? So you should be able to do things on your own, and so it should be okay. Okay, so tomorrow we'll meet again at 8 o'clock. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.